In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase to N8N, making your workflows much more efficient and powerful. So, whether you're a seasoned professional looking to optimize your automation processes, or a newcomer eager to dive into the world of workflow automation, this guide will help you set up this connection smoothly. Let's get started by adding a Supabase node to your N8N workflow. First, you'll want to open your N8N dashboard and navigate to the workflow you're working on. Once inside, look for the plus button. This is your gateway to adding new nodes and expanding your workflow's capabilities. Go ahead and click it. This action brings up a search bar where you'll find a range of node options you can add. Type Supabase into this search bar and select it from the drop-down list that appears. Adding this node is a crucial first step that will enable you to carry out various operations with your Supabase database from within N8N. Now that the Supabase node is part of your workflow, it's time to configure it to meet your specific needs. This involves deciding how your node will interact with your Supabase database. First up is authentication. You'll see this marked clearly on the configuration screen. Here, select the Supabase credentials you've already created. Authentication ensures that your N8N workflow has the necessary permissions to access and modify data within your Supabase database safely and securely. Next, you need to select the operation you want this node to perform. Click on the operation drop-down menu, and you'll see several options such as Create Row, Update Row, Get Row, and Delete Row. Choose the one that aligns with your current objective. For instance, if your goal is to add new data to a database, you'd choose the Create Row option. Each operation facilitates a different interaction with your data, so choose wisely according to what you aim to achieve. Once you've chosen the operation, it's time to specify which table you're going to interact with. You'll do this by entering the table name into the designated field in the configuration screen. Accuracy is key here. Make sure that you input the exact table name as it appears in your Supabase setup. This step ensures that N8N knows exactly where to direct the chosen operation within your database. Finally, you'll need to provide the necessary data fields required for your selected operation. This involves inputting specific data that corresponds to the action you're taking. For each operation, these data fields will vary. For example, if you're creating a new row, you'll need to input the details you want to add. Double-check that all your entries are complete and accurate, as this will directly affect the success of your operation. And there you have it. You've now configured your Supabase node in N8N, setting the stage for seamless interactions with your database. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.